Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. So what if on the profile page of a particular member, so we use sample member 1 for an example, we don't want the tab section, we just want all the content to appear once the page is loaded up. You can do that by removing the tab section, and to do that, we just navigate to the back end of the website. We go to Settings, Design Settings. It's the first tab that we want. So when it loads up under additional settings, go to member profile pages. And then you have this section here, design content in tab layout. Just select no, that you want to stream all content without tabs. Go back to here and we'll refresh the page. And you can see the tabs have disappeared and all the content specialities will be below the overview content, which is there. And we've also got some member reviews there. So that's how you stream all the content. So if your member posts using the post types, all the post types will just appear down here below the overview, if that's the order that you have set it to display. So I hope you found that video useful, and thanks for watching.